Hello friends, in this video I will show how to adjust header and footer height in Microsoft Word. So once you double click this header area anyway, so header and footer will be activated. Now we can see cursor is blink here. Now to change size and height, here is the setting header from top. Specify the distance from the top of the page to the top of the header. You can increase or decrease the size like this, and you can decrease the size. This is the 0 centimeter from top. And same you can change for footer. We can see this footer area is increasing. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you. Now once you change height from here, close this header and footer, and here you can make changes like this. So thanks for watching.